What can you tell us about this event?
So what I can tell you about this event is that it's a fun event where all our friends can come here and have fun.
What can you tell us about this event?
So this is a friendly competition going on between students and teachers. Well, students versus students, and then teachers versus students.
This is an opportunity just to participate and have fun, and just have the students interact more with the staff, and have fun doing it.
What can you tell us about this event?
Well, right now they're doing dodgeball, and it's the teachers against the students, and it's like a good event for them to like do something athletic and also participate.
What can you tell us about this event?
It's very competitive. Like you might think it's a piece of cake, but it really isn't. Like it's real competitive. As you can see, I'm sweating right now.
Why did you decide to participate in events like this?
I love to participate whenever we get to interact with our students.
Why did you decide to participate in events like this?
Because I think it just shows like school support, school spirit, and good sportsmanship. Because I just got knocked out, and I'm still smiling.
I decided to participate in dodgeball because it's one of my favorite sports, and me and my friends like to play it.
What do you like about homecomings?
Oh, I love the fact that the kids come out and enjoy themselves and participate in school events.
What do you like about homecoming?
I like that it kind of is like the start of a new year, and you get to do fun things like dress up or just do silly stuff in school.
What do you like about homecoming?
What I like about homecoming is that you can have fun with your friends, and you can participate in the high school activities.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
You have like everybody here, like the teachers here. We got the students here. It's a good way to like interact.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
I think it's important because it kind of shows pride in our school and that we like want to take part.
What can you tell us about this event?
So this event, in entirety, it's called the Club Olympics. We're here to do these certain activities to rack up as many points as a club.
What can you tell us about this event?
This event's fun so far. I've played a couple games. I'm enjoying myself. Don't really want it to end.
What can you tell us about this event?
So right now we're doing jump roping. They all have to jump at the same time, and it's how many consecutive jumps they could do in a row together.
What can you tell me about this event?
Well, I think this is a great way for everybody to, interact with each other, so that more people can be in each other's clubs, get to have fun and enjoy a good time.
What can you tell us about this event?
Club Olympics is something that we do annually during homecoming week. It's towards the end of the homecoming week, and just a great way for the great clubs of Morton East to participate and celebrate the homecoming spirit.
Why did you decide to be a part of this event?
I'm actually part of SAL, so we're helping run this event. I think it's pretty fun to see all these clubs compete against each other.
What do you like about homecoming?
What I like about homecoming is it's just like a fun time, I like hanging out with my friends.
What do you like about homecoming?
The dance and Spirit Week.
What do you like about homecoming?
One of the things I like about homecoming is the fact that everyone can come together and unite for a common theme.
What do you like about homecoming?
I like everything about homecoming because you meet new people there, you have fun with your friends.
What do you like about homecoming?
Get to hang out with my friends after school, and like the school where I know it's safe.
Why did you decide to participate in events like this?
The more experiences we can create for students that are memorable and are going to last a lifetime, the better experience they're going to have, both in activities and in academics in the classroom.
What can you tell me about your club?
Well, my club SAL that's running this, we actually take part in creating all these activities just to have fun.
What can you tell us about your club?
Snowball is an amazing place to be. Every Thursday I look forward to being there. You guys should be there too. It's awesome, it's fun. We play games, nothing but fun times.
Our club is Ecology Club. We promote environmental stewardship, going outdoors, experiencing what's out there in the Chicagoland area. We're here to promote good, sustainable practices here in our community, in our school, and when we go out and do bigger things in the world.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
In general, we want kids to be involved in extracurricular activities because research shows that kids who participate in extracurricular activities on a consistent basis, they do better on standardized tests, they do better in course performance, and they're more likely to be successful in college. So ultimately it's good for the well-rounded student. You know, they do their part in the classroom, and then they have fun in the extracurriculars, and we're building well-rounded people who are going to be successful down the road.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
I think it promotes school spirit, it creates a community, and it just makes everyone feel like they're more a part of Morton.
Why do you think it's important for students to be involved in this event?
Thank you for that question. So it's so good and important to be involved when in your school community, because academics, as you know, it can tire someone mentally, and they just need that break. They need those times where you can just replenish and rejuvenate yourself, and what more of a perfect way than here at our school and our school community and other events.
What can you tell us about events like this?
There's various games going on, and we're all trying to compete for this one trophy, and this event's really nice to get everyone together, kind of a little competitive feel, but in the end it's all for games and fun.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Well, you get to have a lot of fun with your club. You get to make new friends.
We get to interact with one another and get to meet new people. That's what I like about this.
Not only does it really show that you're passionate about a club and that you really support a club, but that you're willing to go the extra mile.
Why do you think it is important for students to participate in events like this?
Events like these bring people closer. I know I have a lot of good friends with me here. They're awesome people. Every student should have a group like this. It really helps your morale and makes you a better person overall.
It's the spirit of homecoming.